What if upgrading your factory screen felt completely factory? No learning curve, no compromises, just a smarter, bigger, better driving experience. We are in this 2015 Audi A5 and just upgraded it to our all-new Audi DIZZPLAY Screen Replacement, engineered to modernize your vehicle's infotainment system without losing what you love about OEM. Powered by our ultra-fast ZOS Linux-based operating system, DIZZPLAY boots up quickly and integrates seamlessly with your factory system. It's designed to install easily, work reliably, and feel like it was always meant to be there. Enjoy a HD display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and full compatibility with your factory controls. Steering wheel buttons, menus, backup cameras, all retained. No glitches, no callbacks, just clean installs, confident performance, and customers who leave your shop genuinely impressed. DIZZPLAY Screen Replacement works just like factory, only smarter and better. Now available through authorized ZZ2 dealers. Upgrade with confidence, install with ease. DIZZPLAY, the screen replacement your customers will thank you for.